Strategic segmentation techniques are used to divide customers and prospects into groups, while tactical segmentation techniques are used to identify potential targets after strategic segmentation. The copyright of this video belongs to Carmen Sum. Please do not distribute, disseminate, or upload to any other platforms. We will introduce 3 tactical segmentation techniques, including RFM, CHADE, and CART. They can be used to identify individual targets or groups for specific marketing strategies. The first tactical segmentation technique is RFM. What is it?
RFM refers to recency frequency monetary value. Recency refers to the last purchase date. Frequency refers to the purchase frequency. Monetary refers to the amount spent for the last n years. Marketers can set the number of years for RFM calculation.
So, any advantages and disadvantages of using this technique?
The advantages are already available data, and they are costless. The disadvantage is there may be a group of top buyers who will have excessive advertising and promotion pressure. When calculating RFM, marketers have to first assign weighting for R, F, and M respectively. Then, specify the number of years that the data will be used. Third, set the rules for points calculation, including the maximum points. Fourth, calculate the weighted scores for R, F, and M respectively. Finally, add all weighted points as the total weighted score for RFM value. The second tactical segmentation technique is CHADE, which refers to chi-squared automated interaction detection. CHADE uses a tree diagram to categorize customers into groups, with predicted penetration rates from databases. The data will then be used to calculate lift, which is the predicted uptake, to the data subjects for subgroups. CHADE is better than RFM in achieving a better response rate from the top group of respondents. It is also feasible for dividing 2 or more groups, but the maximum is 15 groups. Also, it cannot work with ratio data. It could only be used for nominal, ordinal, and interval data. This tree diagram is an example of CHADE. The analytical software will show the results of each subgroups with sample size and lift rate. The last technique is CART, which refers to classification and regression tree. CART uses a binary decision tree to split data and calculates the response rates for each subgroup. It works with all types of data, but it can only split a maximum of 2 groups at each level. This binary tree diagram is an example of CART, which splits customers into groups with response rate calculated. We have introduced 3 tactical segmentation techniques, including RFM, CHADE, and CART. Marketers can use them to calculate the value or response rate of individual customers or customer groups, and then design differentiated marketing strategies.